Today we are going to learn word problems of multiplication. We already completed word problems of addition, subtraction. Today we are going to learn multiplication of word problems, how to solve the word problems of multiplication. Okay, but before that, read question carefully before solving the problem. Read question carefully, and I'll explain you how to identify whether that question is of multiplication or whether that question is of division. Okay, in your exam maybe you will get the complete 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4 first of the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here I am going to explain you how to identify in that particular question we have to do multiplication or division. Listen carefully. Okay, a wholesaler has 46 packets of greeting cards. How many greeting cards that wholesaler is having? 46 packets of greeting cards. How many packets that wholesaler is having? 46 packets. Each packet contains 3675. If you want to put the place values, put it with different chalk. Okay, put the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 3675 greeting cards. How many? See here, this is the most important one. How many greeting cards are available with the wholesaler? Okay, see in question, right here. In question I am writing only Q. Okay, and we have to find. I'll write here only Q. Q means question, right? Question, if they will give each and you have to find many, in that case you have to do multiplication. Okay, if in the question they will give many and you have to find each, you have to do division. Okay, remember this. Don't need to butify that solution. Behind this we have to do addition, subtraction. Anyhow in your exam you will not get same question. So remember this. In question if they will give each item value, हर एक की एक item की value दे दिया आपको, in that case use multiplication. In that case if you have to find many, बहुत सारे, एक की दिया आपको, बहुत सारे चीजों की find करना है, in that case use multiplication. If they will give many packets, many items की prices दे दिए और एक item की price मालूम करो बोले, in that case you have to use division. I'll give you one simple question. And one apple, okay, one apple cost is rupees 10. Okay, so you have to find 5 apples cost. How much? एक apple का cost है rupees 10. 5 apples का मालूम करना है. In that what you will do? See, question में पहले क्या दिया वो देखिए आप. 1 apple cost. 1 means each, right? 5 apples means many. So they have given each. You have to find many. I said you each they have given. If you have to find many, in that case what you have to use? Multiplication, right? So here what you will do? We will multiply 5, 10. 5 apples of rupees 10, right? 1 apple is of cost rupees 10. So we are multiplying 5 tens. So what is the cost of 5 apples? 50 rupees. एक apple का cost है 10 rupees. 5 apples cost is how much? So we are multiplying 5 tens 50. Understood? So we are finding here many items cost. Okay. And in division I'll explain you later. Okay, fine. See here division also. If they'll give 5 apples cost rupees 50 and they are asking you to find 1 apple cost, what you will do? You will do division. See, 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50, right? So what is the cost of 1 apple? 10 rupees. Same you are getting, right? So whenever they will give each, एक चीज का अगर दिए many find करना है, in that case use multiplication. If they will give many items price and you have to find each, in that case use division. Understood? Remember this. This is the most important one. If they will give each, you have to find many. In that case, you have to do multiplication. If they will give many, you have to find each. In that case, you have to do division. Hope you all understood. Next, we'll move to our question. I am going to give you questions. So based on that question, you have to write the solution, right? So read that question. I'm going to give you anyhow multiplication only. Read that, and word problem means I want sentences as well. Okay. We will start our solution. A wholesaler has 46 packets of greeting cards. Wholesaler के पास कितने पैकेट्स है greeting card के? 46. Each packet they have given C. Each is an important word here. Each packet contains 30,675 greeting cards. How many greeting cards are available with the wholesaler? So what is our first sentence here? Sorry. Number of greeting cards in each packet. Okay, we'll write first. Make the question, write the solution from the question itself. They are given how many? So I am using number of greeting cards in each packet. Number of greeting cards in each packet. Okay. How many number of greeting cards were there in each packet? 3,000. 3,675. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. If you want to write it for your convenience. Next, what is our next step? See, always whenever you are multiplying, you have to write the multiplier first, then multiplicand. So here our multiplier is each packet contains the number of greeting cards. That 3,675 is our multiplier. 46 packets of greeting cards are our multiplicand. Okay. So next, how many packets they have given? Tell me fast, how many packets? Number of, we'll write from here. Number of packets. How many packets are here? 46, right? 46 packets. Total number of greeting cards in each packet is 3,675. Number of packets are 46. Okay. Now we are starting our multiplication. We have to find the product of 3,675 and 46. Right. Putting multiplication sign. Here down we have to, what we have to write, children? What we have to find? How many greeting cards are available with the wholesaler? So in place of how many greeting cards we will write number of greeting cards. Okay. Write it with this chalk only. Number of greeting cards how many, in place of how many I have written, number of greeting cards are available with the wholesaler. Wholesaler are available with the okay. I will write here there equals to, because there we have to do multiplication, right? We'll start our multiplication. We have to start from ones, right? 6 5s are 30. Okay, write it small, or else if you don't want to write place values, leave it, because we have to write carries, right? 6 5s are 30. We'll write carry with different chalk. 6 5s are 30. 0. We have to, I'm writing here, I'm sending 1 carry, 3. Okay. Next, 6 7s are, we have to multiply like this. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 42 in my mind, 3 on my finger, 43, 44, 45. 5, I'm sending 4 carry. Right. Next, 6 6 are, see here, 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4, 36 in my mind, 4 on my finger. After 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40, right? 0, 4 I am sending carry. Okay. Next, 6 3s are. 6 3s are what? 6 3s are 18. 18 in my mind, 4 on finger, 4 on my finger. After 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. One digit, I have completed my one digit multiplication. In my previous videos, I shown you, right? I've shown you, we can, after multiplication of one digit, after completion of one digit multiplication, we can place here 0, or I'll show you one more thing here. 6 0 1s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 1s are 0, right? So here we can, 0 digit multiplication is completed. That's why I am placing 0. We can place here 0 or x, your wish. Don't get addicted to 0 only. Mom said to put 0. Don't get addicted to x. Whatever you want for your convenience, according to your point of view, which one you will understand easily, write it. If you want to write x here, no problem. If you are writing 0 here also, no problem. Because anyhow, we are leaving one space here. I am leaving one space because I have completed one digit. Next, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 1s are 6, 7. So our addition answer is 7260, right? So you can leave that place by placing x, by writing x, or by writing 0, your wish. Okay. Next, we will move here. I am writing here, children, x, your wish. You can write 0 or x. X. I am leaving one space because we have completed one digit multiplication. Next, we are moving to second digit. Here, what we are having? 4. 4 5s are. We have to do 4 3s are. No, it's wrong. 4 5s are. 4 5s are what? 4 5s are 20, right? 0. I'm sending. If you want, you can slightly strike off this carries because we have completed 6 multiplication. Don't put a big like this, okay? 4 5s are 20. 0 I'm sending. Okay, I'll write with different chalk for second carry. 2 I am sending carry. 4 7s are 28. We have to consider this 3 or 2 because this 3 4 4 belongs to 6. So don't consider that. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2 29 30 0. Writing here I am sending 3 carry. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 25 26 27. 7 I am writing. Below that write it. 4 7s are 4 6 are 30. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 27. I am sending 2 carry. I have written 7 here. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 13 14. Put addition. Right here, wholesaler. Next, we have to do addition now, right? 6 completed. We have completed one digit. We have completed two digit multiplication. Whenever we have completed one digit, we are placing here one place. We are leaving one place by putting x or by putting 0. Remember this. We are leaving one place by putting x or by putting 0. After multiplication, we have to do addition. 0 below 0 we are having x, that means nothing, so we will write 0 only. Okay, we will write 0 only. Next one, 5 plus 0, 0 is not having any value, so 5 plus 0 is 5 only. 0 plus 0 0. Okay, 2 plus 7, keep 2 in your mind, 7 on your finger after 2, or you can put lines as well. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, erase this after doing. Okay, next one, 2 in your mind, 4 on your finger, or 2 in your mind, 4 on putting 4 lines. 3 4 5 6. 6. Before 1 we are not having anything, we will write directly. So what is our answer here? In place of this we will write number of greeting cards available with the wholesaler is 16,000. No, 1,69,050. Or we can write one more sentence here. So 1,69,050 greeting cards are available with the wholesaler. We will write the same. Your wish, you can write this line if you want, or if you want to end your answer till here, it's good. If you are writing this also, it's very good. Are available are available with the wholesaler. Okay. So 1,69,050 greeting cards are available with the wholesaler. Hope you all understood. Whenever you are doing multiplication word problems, first read the question carefully. I already explained you this box. If they have given in question each, you have to find many. Means you have many, you have to find means you have to do multiplication. Which operation? Multiplication. If they will give in question many, I have given you apple example, right? If they have given you many, you have to find each. That means you have to do division. Remember this and do the problem. I'll give you questions similar to this. Okay. Hope you all understood. Do the worksheet. First learn tables, do the worksheet and submit it to me. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.